If you've ever opened a document in LibreOffice Writer and found an extra page you want gone, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a page in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily, even if the page won't disappear right away. This is useful when you have a blank page at the end of your document, an unwanted page break, or extra content pushing everything onto a new page. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, click on Writer Document so you can work inside a text document. If you already have the file open, even better. Just go straight to the page you want to remove. Now, before you delete anything, it's important to understand why a page exists in the first place. In LibreOffice Writer, a page usually disappears only when the content on it is removed, or when a hidden page break, paragraph mark, or extra spacing is cleared out. So the next step is to go to the page you want to delete. You can scroll through the document manually, or if the page is near the end, press Ctrl and End on your keyboard to jump straight to the end of the file. That is often the fastest way to find the extra page. Once you're there, click inside the content on that page. If the page contains text, images, or other objects, select the unwanted content and press Backspace or Delete. If the page is blank, don't worry. That usually means there is still something invisible causing it to stay there. In many cases, it's a page break or extra empty paragraphs. Try clicking at the very end of the previous page and then pressing Backspace or Delete a few times. You may need to remove a few hidden line breaks before the page disappears. Keep in mind that the page will only be deleted once all content or breaks are removed, so if it's not disappearing immediately, that's completely normal. If you're working with a page in the middle of the document, place your cursor at the end of the text before it and press Backspace, or place it at the start of the text after it and press Delete. This can remove the spacing that is forcing the unwanted page to remain. If the page was created by accident with an inserted manual page break, removing that break will collapse the document back together. One thing to remember is that in Writer, you're not really deleting a page like in a photo app. You're deleting the content or formatting that causes the page to exist. That's why the process may feel a little different depending on whether the page is full, partially full, or completely blank. If needed, turn on non-printing characters so you can see paragraph marks and page breaks more clearly. That can make it much easier to spot what's causing the extra page. So let's recap the simple process. Open LibreOffice, open or create a Writer document, go to the page you want to delete, jump to the end with Ctrl plus End if needed, and then press Backspace or Delete until the page is removed. If the page still remains, keep removing the hidden breaks, empty paragraphs, or leftover content that is holding it in place. And that's how to delete a page in LibreOffice Writer the easy way. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.